Look at how easily this banana bread comes out of the pan. This is, hands down, one of the most delicious breakfasts you can make at home. If you enjoy this kind of simple, comforting recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for the full written recipe, the link is waiting for you in the description below. Now let's get into how to make this fluffy banana bread. You can already preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get your loaf pan ready. Now grab 3 large ripe bananas, the riper the better. That's about 1 1/4 cups once they're mashed. Add 2 large eggs, lightly beaten. Go in with 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. Follow with 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar for that deep caramel flavor. Now add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to help it rise, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to keep the crumb light and fluffy. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This is what makes the whole kitchen smell incredible. Now add the beaten eggs into the bowl. Follow with the mashed bananas. Pour in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for warmth and depth. Now add 1/2 cup of melted butter, slightly cooled. This is what gives the bread that rich, moist texture. Mix everything together gently, just until combined. Don't overmix. If you like a little crunch, fold in 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan, smoothing out the top. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean, about 55 to 60 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then slice and enjoy warm, or at room temperature with a good cup of coffee.